This is all the stuff I need to strip my linens. Okay guys, so I am addicted to TikTok. Again, why are all my videos I look awesome? All these other people go on, put their makeup on, look great. I am wearing, we were just outside doing yard work, so I'm wearing an Old Navy shorts and a tank top. Anyways, as you can see, my bed is not made. I have half the pillowcases off, and then I stopped. And I was like, yo, I have to do this video based off of a TikTok. So, you know, you wash your clothes, you wash your towels, they smell great, but they don't apparently get all the stuff off. So what I'm going to do is strip my bed of all the stuff that's on it. I'm not going to put my pillows in it, but I'm going to take all of my bedding. So I have, because I know it's not that cold outside because it's like May, but I'm always freezing. So Pete uses like a sheet and sometimes like a thin blanket. I have 2 blankets and 2 comforters. So I'm going to strip everything, put it in there and let it soak and see what it looks like. I'm debating if I'm going to put the sheets in there too, or if everything's just going to be white and see what it actually looks like. Because some people on the TikTok were trying to say that it was based off of the dyes or whatever that come out of it. But you can do this to your clothes, to your towels, all this different stuff. So I had a heck of a time, little story time here, trying to get the stuff for, I couldn't find borax like anywhere. I went to 5 stores. I don't like Walmart, and I went to Walmart's, Bartell's, Walgreens, Albertsons, and Safeway to look for borax. Borax, like what? I don't know if it's all the kids are making slime right now. I don't know what it is. Also, these are my new baby growth hairs. I'm gonna have to do a video about all of these great finds that I have been finding, and my favorite things, I guess, of like spring, maybe, because it's not just May, but you know, my hair was falling out because of like my surgery and my lack of protein, and I really wasn't taking care of myself for a little while. So one of my coworkers told me about this stuff, and it's totally making me have like baby hairs, and my hair is growing back, and it's awesome. And I'm also taking care of myself again, making sure I eat and drink water and do all the things. So I am going to get this going. All right. Okay, so full disclosure, I am following the recipe that I found on TikTok. So we'll see if this works. It could be a fail, it could be an epic win, who knows. Also, that's my Amazon box because I couldn't find it anywhere. I had to order it on Amazon. I don't think I disclosed that in my video. So, I don't know if I could see. Okay, there. So I've got my stuff laid out, my Tide, my Arm&Hammer, and my Borax. I've got my water, and I've got my towel, or my comforters and all that kind of stuff. So it's a 1/4 cup, come on, 1/4 cup of borax. All right, so it's a 1/4 cup here, a 1/4 cup there, and then a scoop of Tide. So I'm not very good. I don't have everything set up. I just like decided halfway through this that I was gonna film this. So, pardon me, I'll be right back. Scoop of Tide. And since I didn't bring a stick up here, and my hands are filthy because I've been working outside in the yard, I'm just gonna kind of whoosh it around. And I wish that I had like smell-o-vision, because A, it's beautiful color. B, it smells amazing. So, okay, let's grab the towels. Actually, I might come back to you for this. Okay, so I will say that I have like an ouch on my finger, and that did hurt my little hangnail. So I only did the 2 comforters in my bathtub. I did not fill it up all the way, but you're supposed to stir it. So I'll be coming back, but I have this huge pile because I also have, like I said, I've got 2 blankets, my sheets, but that is my 2 comforters. I have a king size bed, so not my covers, right? Or duvet, whatever. So we'll see. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how gross my water is. It made a huge mess after I tried to wring out the thing. So let's see what it looks like. You can't even... Oh, come on. There we go. But look, you can't even see my hand coming up. It's so dirty. Crazy, huh?